Hello everyone. So I'll be showing the execution of a program, that is the simulation of the midpoint line drawing algorithm using Python. So now I'll run this program. So as we can see, after running this module, we have got a dialog box as an output. This dialog box is the interface through which the user will enter the initial coordinate and the final coordinates for the line to be scanned converted. This interface has been created using a Python tool called PyQt5, which is used to create the GUI-based application. This interface consists of 4 labels and corresponding to these 4 line edits and 2 buttons. These 4 labels are the initial x coordinate, initial y coordinate, final x coordinate and final y coordinate, which represent that what we have to enter. And the 4 line edits, in these we have to enter the values for their corresponding labels. And the 2 buttons are OK and cancel. By clicking on OK button, we'll submit the values entered and the program will run and show us the output, which is the line plot. And by clicking on the cancel button, a dialog box alert message will display that if you want to kill the program, and it will kill the program. So now I'm entering the values. First I'll enter the initial x coordinate. Let us enter 2 for initial x coordinate. For initial y coordinate, I'll enter 5. For final x coordinate, I'll enter 20. For final y coordinate, I'll enter 16. So these are the values that I have entered. 2, 5 for the initial coordinate, 20, 16 for the final coordinate of the line. So as this is the midpoint line drawing algorithm, so we have to enter the integer values. If the user enter any other values other than the integers, if for example string value, a character or a float value, then it will alert the user. It will show a warning message that you have entered the wrong value. As you can see that I have entered integer values, so the program will run fine. Now I'll submit this value by clicking on the OK button. So after clicking the OK button, a grid will form which have the x-axis and the y-axis, and on this graph the scatter plot will plot. And in this scatter plot we can see the points are being plotted, and after the points get plotted, a line will display starting from the initial coordinate and ending at the final coordinate which the user has entered. You can see that this is the initial coordinate 2, 5, the user which have entered, and the final coordinate 20, 16, and the line has been drawn using the midpoint line drawing algorithm. This is the desired output which we want. This output is shown using the matplotlib library of the Python programming language. So now we'll see what happens if the user enters the wrong input values, that is any float value, any character value, any string value. I'll again run the program. Now I'll enter the string value, any character value, and integer. It will not accept these values and will show the alert message to the user that you have entered the wrong values. see that this is the error message which got displayed, that wrong input or no input. Now we again run the program to see what if user forgot to enter the value. That what if some line edit got blank. I'll leave the x coordinate blank. I'll enter none of the values. Similarly, it will show a warning message that you have wrong inputs or no inputs. So this is the execution of a simulation of midpoint line drawing algorithm using Python. So here, this is all. And in future scope, what we have got, that will create a virtual lab for the same, which will be having the aim, theory, pretest, procedure, simulation, post-test and the references. This is the prototype that what I am showing to you. The aim will cover that what is the aim of the virtual lab. Theory will consist of the theory portion of the algorithm, that who created the algorithm, who developed, what is the idea behind this algorithm. Pretest will cover it will be a short quiz to test what if the children has gained. Procedure will consist of the whole pseudocode for this. Simulation is the same that what we have shown to you, the execution of the algorithm. Post-test is to test the knowledge of the candidate, and references, that all the references that we have taken. This is a prototype for a future scope, a virtual lab that we're going to create. Thank you. That's all.